Hey everyone, are you a music creator searching for a way to share our original tracks with a global audience? Pixabay is well known for its free images and videos, but it also has a growing library of royalty-free music from artists worldwide. When we create background music, beats, or instrumental pieces, uploading our music to Pixabay helps us reach more people and connect with content creators looking for quality audio for their projects. In this guide, we explain why uploading music to Pixabay is valuable and what we should prepare before submitting our tracks. Learning to upload music to Pixabay lets us share our original work while following the platform's contributor guidelines. As contributors, we allow YouTubers, filmmakers, marketers, and other creators to use our music in their content. This boosts our visibility as artists and helps build our portfolio and reputation in the creative industry. Uploading music the right way means our track is 100% original, properly mixed and mastered, and free from copyrighted samples or third-party content we do not own. We also need to create a contributor account, upload our audio file in the correct format, add a clear title and description, and include relevant tags so users can easily find our music. Providing accurate information improves our chances of approval and downloads. Understanding this process helps us share our music in a professional and responsible way. Now, let's go through how to upload our music to Pixabay. To upload our music, we click the Upload button. We are redirected to the Content License page. All the quality and media requirements are in the quality guidelines, so we need to review these before uploading. Here, we choose if it's a photo, video, or music. We select video and browse files since we are uploading music. Let's use this example audio file. We wait for the upload to finish. When it's done, our music will show up here. Now we can add tags and a title. Let's write a title here. Let's add the tags here. We can also add an AI label or a YouTube Content ID label. We may enter a contest or join the Brazil competition if it's available. Once we're ready, we click Submit. We can enter 3 tags like rock, metal, or heads. That's all. When we're finished, we click Submit. After submitting, our music is uploaded to Pixabay. By preparing high-quality original tracks and following the platform guidelines, we can successfully share our music with the global creative community. We should always use clear descriptions and relevant tags to maximize our visibility.